Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by checking a few essentials and taking the first action. Make sure the document is saved and Word is the active window. Next, click the View tab and look at the Show group. Uncheck Gridlines to remove the visible grid immediately. Once done, glance at the page to confirm the lines are gone. If you still see a pattern, don't stop. Open the Layout or Page Setup options next to continue resolving remaining overlays. Now continue into the more detailed settings that often hold the grid. Open the Layout or View options and find Drawing Guides and Snap to Grid controls. Turning Snap to Grid off prevents shapes from locking to invisible grid lines. Make sure to disable Drawing Guides if they're active, and check Table and Shape settings separately because those can show cell or shape grid lines. Once adjusted, recheck the document. These middle steps remove programmatic grids rather than just the visual overlay. Finish by saving your settings and closing the dialog boxes so Word applies the change. If the grid lines still appear, restart Word to clear cached view state. Make sure to disable any add-ins that alter layout rendering and show non-printing marks which can resemble grids. As a last resort, reset view settings to defaults or use Repair in Office settings. If that fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to check for add-ins or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.